This is just a quick video of our pair of Oldsmobiles. What we've got is a 1950 Olds 98 convertible. If you check out my other video of this car, this came from California. It was originally a 98 convertible, a real one, not a California customer, whatever you want to say. But the gentleman that had bought it, he tried for many years to get the proper rear quarters for it. This car had been sideswiped and spent until about 1982 sitting in the Nevada desert. So while there's a lot of surface rust on it, it actually is structurally really good, and the frame was really good. Well, he modified it with a Nova subframe, and then he couldn't find the proper doors and rear quarters to fix the damage. So he put a set of 51 Cadillac DeVille rear quarters on it and rear deck lid, and then lowered the roof and cut the windshield down a bit. So he started doing a custom on it. There's not enough parts to make a car out of what's there, though. So he's got, like I say, a Chevy Nova subframe in it and a Chevy engine in it. The rear half of the car is really nice. The floors are really nice. I don't like what he was doing with the front clip here. So I picked up another 50 Olds 98, this one being a two-door hardtop. This one is dead stock. Unfortunately, what happened with this car is the window regulators went bad. The power windows died. So the people parked it in their garage. Well, the car was too long to fit in the garage, so the garage door sat right across the back of the trunk lid here. And so the whole back of the car sunk in the mud and rotted out. So you got a car here that literally was driven into the garage when it was raining and parked for 50 years. So it's fully intact as far as all the parts are here, but the rear trunk floor and back ends of the frame are gone. You can see the global steering wheel. Headliner is just gorgeous in this thing. I mean, it's amazing how nice of condition the front clip is on this thing. And the engine bay is just as nice. There is a little bit of rust on the front edge of the hood here. But that's the original. I believe that's a 303 in 1950. They went to 324, I believe, in 53. I'm sure some of the purists will beat me up if I'm wrong. So anyways, the car is a very good donor for our custom over here, because the rear quarters on our custom are in amazing condition and the work was done really nice. And the front half of this car is really nice, and the original engine does turn over. I have not tried to start it yet. But all of the chrome and trim is on this thing. There is also two full sets of chrome with the convertible here. The DeVille trim, most of that is there, and the Olds 98 trim is there. The extra dash is there. There's a lot of parts here between the two, but here's a shot of our trunk lid, which actually the trunk lid isn't too bad, but you can check out that rear bumper. She's just gone, and the last 1 foot of the rear frame is the same way. But anyways, I figured I would shoot a quick video because I do have these cars up for sale. I will sell them as a pair, preferably, because obviously between the two you can build one really nice car. There is a brand new windshield for the convertible in here, but that's still a stock height windshield, where he took 3 inches out of this windshield pillar when he lowered the roof line. It wouldn't be hard to put the roof line back to factory on this, because fortunately what he did is sectioned the rear wings out and lowered the full tray rather than cutting the bows for the top. So the roof top here is still stock height, but he lowered the trays. So that's at least easy to repair if you don't want the lowrider look to it. But figured I'd shoot a quick video. There you go. There's a street rod in a box. If the money's right, I'll sell them together. If the money's right, I'll sell them apart. If the money isn't right, maybe in the next 10 years I'll get around to restoring them. Thanks for watching.